Okay. Today we are going to discuss problem of points on side views. Okay. So in this problem, so we will be dealing with the side views here. So we will go with the question. A point P is lying. P is 30 mm in front of VP, 40 mm above HP, and 50 mm front from RPP. Okay. So in this problem, so as we have know, so it involves three concepts. First, to identify the quadrant. So in front of VP, above HP means it is our first quadrant. So for the first quadrant, we know the notations. So VP, HP, XY. That means first we are going to draw the this first quadrant, top view and front view. Okay. Okay. So we know that 30 mm in front of VP means it is in front of VP means it is top view. So top view it is drawn in the HP plane. So 30 means 3 boxes, and you put a point. So that is here the top view. Similarly, 40 mm above HP. So 40 mm above HP means it is our front view. It is 4 boxes. It is P dash. So now we'll show with the dimensions. This is 40 mm and this is 30 mm. Now you can see this 50 mm from RPP. This is what the side view. So where it is exactly means in the quadrant. So you can see this. So this is our HP plane and this is vertical plane and this is our RPP, right profile plane. So this right profile plane it is adjacent to the vertical plane. Okay. So in this problem he is mentioning that a point P is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP and 50 mm from the RPP. So this it will be there adjacent to the vertical plane. Okay, when it is drawn in the orthographic, so it will be like this. Okay, so front view, top view, this front view connected with the side view. Okay, so that means for this RPP we will be drawing another x1 y1 line at a distance of 50 mm. Okay, now to draw this side view with the top view we will be using 45-degree angle line. Okay, so you just follow the procedure. Okay, now from this projection point we have to consider a distance of 50, that is 5 boxes. Keeping this distance of 5 boxes, here we are going to draw x1 y1 line because it is 50 mm from RPP. So this is x1 y1 RPP, right profile plane. Okay, now we know that so side view will be there adjacent to this front view. So we draw a straight line. After this we know that we have to draw an 45-degree angle line here. Okay, in order to connect the top view with the side view. So that is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. So mark a point, then draw a straight line. This is your angle line, that is 45-degree angle line. Now from this top view, so we'll be drawing a straight line until it touches the 45-degree line. Then we project upward. Okay, so where these two lines are intersecting, so this point is our side view. Okay, this is what the say, and we can show the direction of the projection line. Okay, so this is what the side view. Okay, today we are going to discuss another problem on LPP, that is a side view problem. So the first problem we have done with the right profile plane. So now we are going to do the problem with respect to the left profile plane. Okay, so we know the procedure. First, to identify the point is lying in which quadrant. The point is 40 mm. A point, you can say point B here. Okay, point capital B is 40 mm behind of VP and 20 mm above HP. So it is in second quadrant, behind of VP and above HP. So for the second quadrant, so we have vertical plane, horizontal plane lying above the XY line. Okay. So XY, another both vertical plane and horizontal plane lying above the XY line. Now 40 mm behind of VP. So behind of VP means it is top view. Okay, behind of VP means it is top view. So I'll be drawing here 40 mm. 40 mm means 4 box. So it is small b, top view. Now 20 mm above HP. So above HP means it is our front view. So the same collinear line we can mention 20 means 2 boxes. It is B dash. So now we can show the dimension here. So it is 20. So it is 40. So now we have done with the both top view and front view. Now we have to do the side view. So you can see this from 30 mm front, behind are from LPB. So that means from this projection we have to consider 3 boxes here. Okay, 3 boxes here, and we will be drawing a dimension line. Okay, that is 30. So here exactly leaving a 3 boxes, that is 30 mm. We will be drawing a projection profile plane, that is x1, y1, LPB, that is a left profile plane. Okay, so now we know the procedure. Where there will be a top view, we have to draw an angle line here. So we will be doing the same procedure. So intersection of these two lines here exactly, so we'll be marking for 45 degree. Okay, so it is 45 degree. Now from this point, so we have to draw a straight line, and we know that with respect to the front view we have the side view, so that's why I'm drawing a straight horizontal line adjacent to it. Okay, so from the intersection of this point, okay, from the top view intersection to the 45 degree line, so we have to draw downward. Okay, so here at the intersection of these two lines, so we get an side view B double dash. Okay, so B double dash. So this is what the direction of the projection line. Okay, now in this question they have mentioned name the side view, which view it is. So it is second quadrant, in second and fourth quadrant. So it comes to the, you know, that second and third quadrant comes under third angle projection. Okay, so it comes under third angle projection. So in third angle projection, what happens with respect to the LPP, we have left side view. Okay, with respect to the RPP, we have right side view. So this is left side view. So this is, we can write here, left side view. Okay, okay, welcome to engineering visualization channel. Okay, now we are discussing problems on points here. Okay, so it is one of the different type problem. It is a combination of 2 points A and B. Okay, so now we look at the question here. a point A is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. Okay, and it is and another point B is 20 mm behind VP and 35 mm below HP. The horizontal distance between the points measured parallel to XY line is 60 mm. Draw the three projections of the points. Okay, three projections of the points means here both top view, front view and side view. Okay, join their front views and top views. So we have to join both their top views and front views. Okay, so now first I am going to draw an XY line here. So this is X, this is Y. Now first we take the point number A. So point number A, what the information is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. Okay, 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP means it is the first quadrant. So 30 mm in front of VP means, so here I will be constructing 40 mm above HP means it is a front view. Okay, front view I am going to construct here. Front view we always got above the XY line here. Okay, so this is front view E dash. So you can show the dimensions also. It is 40 and 30 mm in front of VP. So in front of VP means it is the top view. So top view we getting below the XY line. So 30 means 3 boxes. Okay, and put a point. This is your A. Okay, this is 30. So top and front view of the point A is done. Now point B is 20 mm behind VP. Behind VP 35 mm below HP. Below HP means it is the third quadrant. Here behind of VP. So behind of VP means it is the top view. So here the top view we are getting above the XY line here. So here before that you can see here they have given one information here. The horizontal distance between the points measured parallel to XY line is 60. That means, so in order to before drawing the point number B, we should consider a horizontal distance of 60 mm here. Okay, here I'll mention with the dimension line. Okay, this is 60 and here we have to construct. So you can see 20 mm behind of VP. Behind of VP means it is the top view. So top view in the third quadrant we are getting above the XY line. So here, so this point is top view. So this is B. I'm showing the dimension line. This is 20. And same way 35 mm below HP. So below HP means it is a front view. So in the front view in the third quadrant we are getting below the XY line. So 35 means 3.5 boxes. See, this is 1, 2, 3. 3.5 means till here we have to extend. Use the scale or the box, no problem. You'll get the same length. Okay, this point is B dash. So this is done. So both top views and front views are done, and it is shown with a difference of at a horizontal distance of between the distance it is 60 mm. That is also done. Now, so the horizontal distance between the points measured parallel to XY is 60. Draw the three projections of the three projection means you can see this is front view, top and front view done. Now we have to draw the side view. Okay, side view we have to construct. So for this purpose what I'll do, so we need to draw 45-degree angle line. First for this point A, so the top view we are getting in the, so this is our top view, correct? This is top view and this is front view. So wherever we have the top view, on that side we have to draw the 45-degree angle line. Okay, so here I'll draw one x1 y1 line. This this is x1 and y1. I'll use the protractor here. Place it at the intersection of xy and x1 y1 and mark for 45 degree and then draw an angle line. Okay, now from this top view, so draw the projection line till it touches the 45 degree line and then project it upward. Okay, and then project has a projection line here also. Okay, so this is the point where we get the side view, A double dash. You can see always with respect to the front view, we'll get the side view here. Okay, adjacent to it, we'll get the side view. Okay, in the same way, now we have to construct the side view of this point B. So you can see here the top view. Here, this is the top view. So top view here we're getting above the XY line. That means we should construct the angle line. So I'll take this as the reference only, X1 Y1 line. I'll place the protractor here and mark for 45 degree angle and then draw an angle line here. Okay, and you can mention this angle here, it is 45 degree. Now project the line, that is projection line from this top view we have to draw, remember it, till it touches the 45 degree angle line and then project it downward till the B dash end. Okay, till here, and then project it from here also. Okay, so this is our point, this is our side view, B double dash. Okay, this is our side view. So both the side views and side views of both point A and point B, it is done. Now join their front views and top views. So the front views, front view of A is here and front view of B is here. So I'm going to join their front views and top views with a straight line. I'm going to do that. Okay, and then joining their top views also. Okay, so this completes the problem. Okay, you can subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Okay, and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you all. Thank you for watching the video.